Why are there not more people talking about SD card formatting headaches? If your card refuses to cooperate, don't panic. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, always save any important files. Formatting wipes your SD card clean, like erasing a chalkboard. Trying to format on PC? Plug in your SD card, open File Explorer, find your card under this PC, right-click, and hit Format. Choose FAT32 or exFAT for most phones and cameras. Check Quick Format for speed, then click Start. On Android, head to Settings, tap Storage, select SD card, then tap Format. Easy. If it still won't cooperate, let's get nerdy. On your PC, open Command Prompt as admin, type disk part, and carefully select your SD card disk number. Then type format Fs =exFAT quick. Still stuck? Try CHKDSK to fix errors, update your drivers, or pop the card into a different device. You got this. Happy formatting.